guys? I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to buy, ship, and pay supplier on Pinduoduo, and also with the 1688 at the same time. So I'm going to combine the two together so that you guys can see how you can buy on Pinduoduo and pay supplier and ship, and how you can buy on 1688 and pay supplier and ship from China step by step without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. And if you would like to connect with me on WhatsApp, you can get started with the number right here. So without wasting much of our time, so let's get started with how you can buy on Pinduoduo without any stress. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we are going to get started with Pinduoduo. Okay, one thing I need to explain to you guys about Pinduoduo is that Pinduoduo is also a Chinese e-commerce platform that allow you guys to buy a single item at a very cheap price. All you have to do is to understand how the app works. So like I said, in this video, I'm going to show you how to place the order, how to talk to the supplier, and how to ship from China using Pinduoduo without using any agent. So this product right here is what I'm going to use as an example. So you can scroll down and see some of the information about you can see this seller right here. They have about this seller right here have about 1.1 thousand review, 5-star. So these are the things you need to consider before you can decide to buy from a supplier. So you can scroll down and see full picture of the product. So this is the one I'm going to buy right here. This product here is what I'm going to buy from this seller. So you can scroll down and see details about the product. Okay, you can see the detail about the product. I have charted them up, and I was even a go ahead to place the order that the product is very much available in store. So right now, for you to place the order and make payment to the supplier, you have to click on here to select the product quantity and the size. Right here, so it takes you to this page right here. Okay, so you can see this product here is 84.41 RMB. Okay, now if you want to change from different sizes and color, you just have to tap on them. So each time you tap on any of these option, you are going to see the product picture display, and the price is going to be different. But as for me, I'm buying this one right here. So let's say for instance you need let's say for instance you need another one. So let's say so let's say you need this one. So if I tap on it, you will see a different product picture. You can see the different product picture, that this one right here is not the same as the one I choose. Okay, so that's the product picture. If you tap on this one here, you are going to have another thing entirely. So this is the one I'm buying right here. So finally, you have to click on here to pay this supplier. So I'm going to click on that. So it's as simple as that. You can see the payment has been done successfully. Okay, so once the payment is done successfully, it takes you from the payment page, and then you're going to see something like this. It is just a simple means that you can share this proof of payment with your supplier. So the next thing you have to do is to go back to your profile picture. So I have to go back home. So right here, you have to I'm going to access my profile picture right here. Okay, then it takes you to your profile page. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is that you need to, this is where every product you have paid for successfully, you are going to find them right here. Okay, so if I click on here now, you are going to see the product detail. So look at it, the one we just made payment for. So I'm going to click on it right away. So you can now screenshot this page and send it to the supplier, and so that they quickly arrange your shipment without any delay. So so that is it. So once you've done the screenshot, then you have to tap on here. So you have to tap on here to communicate with the supplier. and send them the proof of payment so that they fast track your shipment without any delay. Okay. So you can see this is my former chat with them. So I will have to pick on this is the proof of payment and send. Alright, so you can quote this screenshot and ask them when are they going to ship your product. So I'm going to type in now. So I have to convert to Chinese character because some of these people, they don't understand English. So when are you going to ship it out? Okay, so a question mark, then I'll send. So you can see their reply very fast. You can see their response. This is the seller response. So I'm going to translate it now so you guys can see. Okay. So delivery today. So I just tell them, let me just send an emoji. Okay. It's as simple as that. So this is how you buy and ship on Pinduoduo without any stress. All you have to do is to understand the step. You negotiate with the seller. You can see I have chat them up before I pay this particular seller. So you can see it our chat right here. So when you chat them up, you place the order and you make payment with your Alipay, and then they will prepare your shipment without any delay. So this is just a process on how you can buy by yourself without using any agent or on Pinduoduo. So the next video is going to be how you guys can buy on 1688 without using any agent. If you would like to be a procurement agent, you can connect with me. Or also, if you want to join my paid training, you can as well connect with me. If you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to procure your link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce platform, you can connect with me on WhatsApp. Thank you guys, and let's check out on how you guys can buy on 1688. Thank you. Alright guys, so let's start with how you can buy on 1688 app. So right here, this product here, I need just 2 pieces of this product. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to click on here straight up. So if I click on here, it takes me to the landing page whereby I need to select the product size and the color. Okay, so for this product, I need just 2 medium size of this color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to click here to select 2 piece. That is, I just place order for this black color of this product ID and product quantity. So I'm paying the sum of amount of 33.80 RMB. So I'm going to click on here now to make the payment. So right here you can see that this is just the product checkout page. So everything still remain intact, medium, and the color remain black. The price here and the final price right here is 36.79 RMB. This is because local shipping fee has been added. So finally, we have to click here now to pay. So you can see right here, we are paying the sum of 36.79 RMB. So finally, have to click here to make the payment. With my Alipay. So right here, I want to change the payment mode from Alipay to Alipay TourPass. So I have to click on here. So I'm going to click on this point here. Then I will select my TourPass. So I will select this one right here. And then I'll click on this to make the payment. Then finally, I will enter my payment password. Oh, that was a wrong account. So I'm going to use this second account. So I have to re-enter my payment password now. Boom. So you can see that the payment has been confirmed. So right here, the payment was done successfully. Okay. So I can check my profile now and see the order. So I have to go back. Right here, this is my profile. So if I refresh now, you can see I have to order ready to ship. So if I click on this place now, the product we just made payment for must be there. Okay. So right here you can see the products right here that we just made payment for this particular product, so you can see it without any stress. So this is how you can buy direct from supplier on 1688 app, and pay supplier. This is how everything is done without using any agent. If this is what you are interested to learn, you can connect with me on WhatsApp. If you are interested to join my paid training, if you want me to pay your supplier or you want me to chat up your supplier, you can or you want me to procure your link on 1688 or Taobao or any Chinese e-commerce platform, you can as well connect with me. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next video.